In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for social media management. We're going to set up a ready-made social media system using a template inside your chosen space, so you can get organized quickly and then tailor it to fit your workflow. Start by opening your ClickUp account and logging in. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and hover your mouse over the specific space where you want your social media management to live. Spaces are the highest level of organization in ClickUp, so choosing the right one keeps everything neat and easy to find. Next, find the three dots or ellipsis next to that space's name and click it to open the Space Options menu. From this menu, select Templates. This takes you into the template area connected to that space, where you can browse and apply pre-built setups. In the template search bar, type the word social. This narrows the results so you can quickly locate the social media template. When you see social media in the results, click it to open the preview. Here you can see what's included, typically lists for content planning, statuses that move tasks from idea to published, and helpful fields for platforms, post types, or links. Take a moment to scan the preview so you know what you're about to add. Now, click Use Template. You'll be prompted to enter a name. Give your new setup a clear, specific name. Something like Social Media Hub or the name of your brand or campaign, so everyone on your team knows exactly what it is. Consistent naming makes it easier to search, share, and report on content later. Click Use Template again to confirm. Then wait patiently while ClickUp adds everything to your space. Depending on the size of the template and your internet speed, this might take a moment. You'll see progress indicators, and once it's done, the lists and tasks will appear in your space automatically. With the template in place, feel free to customize it so it fits your process. You can rename lists to match your planning stages, adjust task statuses to reflect how your team works, and fine-tune custom fields like platform, priority, or content owner. Update example tasks with your real ideas, assign owners, and set due dates to align with your publishing calendar. You can also tweak colors and views so the layout feels intuitive for your team. And that's it. You opened your ClickUp account, navigated to the right space, found and applied the social media template, named it clearly, waited for it to load, and customized it to make it yours. You're now ready to manage content with clarity and consistency.